The modern matrix is obsessed with showing everything to an audience that does not care. But real growth always happens in the absolute quiet of your own room. You must learn to build your life without needing a single like today. While 99% of the world is busy broadcasting their fake version of success, the 1% are sitting in the dark repairing their real internal errors. You are trading your mental peace for a moment of validation tonight. When you stop trying to impress the crowd, you finally begin to focus on the craft. Every small object you fix in silence is a piece of evidence for your power. Stop chasing the loud noise and start building a quiet white home today. The concept of self-efficacy means that your true confidence is built through lived action. It is not born from positive affirmations or repeating sweet words in the mirror. You must accumulate the hard master experiences alone in the dark now. When you choose to stand in contact with the physical world, you trigger your logic. You will feel throwaway as your deep focus begins to rewrite your entire mind. Action is the only known cure for the constant anxiety of your generation. The path to stability requires you to sit with a problem until it becomes clear. You will feel kiek as you struggle with things that you do not understand yet. But those who refuse to run away will eventually own the world tomorrow morning. Small habits of daily discipline are the bricks that build your massive empire. Your life is a long-term investment that requires strategy and a white vision. Stop outsourcing your capability to a system that wants you weak now. True power is the ability to say no to the digital fog and yes to your own hands. It is the strength to own your time and walk your own bright white path today. Freedom is the only currency that truly matters in this hard world now. The invisible chains of consumerism are built with the need for immediate comfort. They keep you obedient and keep you trapped in a cycle of lazy dependency. Cut the ties today and start building a machine that works for you tonight. You must choose between the pain of hard work or the long and heavy pain of regret. One path leads to a summit of light, while the other leads to a shallow grave. Your destiny is not a matter of luck, but a matter of choices today. Your potential is a screaming engine that is currently sitting idle in the gray fog.
Send me that.
Kintsugi logic is the key to that engine and the only way to heal now. Stop feeding the fear in your mind and start feeding the wolf of success. The world does not care about your intentions, it only cares about the results you produce. You can spend a lifetime preparing for a battle that you never show up for. Execution is the language of the winners and the only way to be free. Every choice you make today is a vote for the version of you that will stay strong. The mindset of the craftsman is the bridge between the earth and the gods. Stop negotiating with your laziness because it truly wants you to fail. Today is the day you decide to stop being a slave to the cheap convenience around you. Walk through the fire of action and let it burn away your old matrix life. Growth begins exactly where your comfort zone finally comes to end today. True wealth begins the moment you value your own approval more than the noisy crowd. Walk toward the white light of logic and build your own empire today now. The matrix of noise only exists as long as you continue to believe in it.